Another lock extension video. I told you guys I was gonna bring you a lot more lock extension videos. I do a lot of recording. It's just the editing and getting it uploaded that is the hard part, but I'm trying. Thank you guys for sticking in there. So as you may already know, I'll be attaching these beautiful lock extensions handmade by yours truly into my client's head. And what's interesting about this one, my client already has locks. I will not be combing her locks out. They're starter or baby locks. She cut them down some for these extensions, but her hair is still locked. So I'll be attaching these to her hair. They're beautiful, very well made, and they're going to be added to her locks. This is the before of her hair, and this is the after. If you're interested in seeing what it looks like or how I did it, stay tuned for a brief clip of me attaching. So here I had maybe 2 locks left to attach. So I decided to record it. And I always decide to record last minute because I'm like, you know what? My viewers on YouTube probably want to see this. So I'm like, oh, do you mind if I attach? Do you mind if I record? And they're like, yeah, sure, go ahead. So yeah. So basically this is me attaching the lock extension to her already locked hair. A lot of you ask me, how do I do it? This is how. The exact same method, well, not the exact, sort of the same method as attaching the loose hair, but at this point I'm being more mindful of the fact that she already has a lock there. So what I'm doing is fusing her lock with the loose hair of the lock extension and gradually down to the non-loose part of the lock extension and her locks. But her locks are very young, so they were perfect for this. And as you can see at the very end of her locks, I'm using the crochet tool to give myself a little bit of loose hair so I can really secure that in there and make it look seamless. This can also be done to mature locks. I feel like you would need more hair on the end of the lock extension to better secure it onto a mature lock. Once again, her locks are very young, so I didn't need that much hair to secure it. And most of her locks were in a state where they were flat. So this method actually helped me to round out her locks. And this is real time. That was slowed down. This is real time of me attaching it. I'm adding some more hair where I felt like her lock was less dense, because what we're doing here is mimicking a mature lock. So although her locks are not fully mature yet, we're attaching lock extensions that's mimicking a mature lock. So that area right there will have to be reinforced to feel like and behave like a mature lock. Oh, I guess that was the last lock. That's it, and that is her whole head. It looked amazing, and she is a beautiful girl, so she made the locks look even better. I'm telling y'all, this girl was gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful woman from Kenya. And I'll be retwisting her hair using the loop method. She actually came back, I believe, 2 months after this, because as I said, she already had locks, so I didn't do anything extra. I just added the extensions, but she wanted a reparting of the front of her head to make it look fuller because the parts were too big. So we did that. I cut the extensions out, combed them out, reparted, and reattached. And once again, it looked seamless. Nothing was out of place. It looked beautiful. I didn't record it, however. I was making sure she didn't miss her flight back home, so I didn't have time to record it. So after I attached all of her lock extensions, of course I retwisted, but I'm styling as I retwist. I am giving her pipe cleaner curls. That's the style she chose to go with. After I attach lock extensions, I always ask my clients what style do they want, because the style is included in the attachment. So I style whatever they want: crinkles, curls, barrels, lobster braids, what have you. 2-strand twist is my most requested, but she wanted pipe cleaner curls, and I thought that was going to be so cute. She wanted them not so tight, so I used 3 locks per pipe cleaner. And I'm just doing it in slow-mo so you can see how I do my curls. It's just a continuous motion of twisting and rolling around the pipe cleaner. Scrunching it up to give me more room and to make sure the curls are at least somewhat tight, but not too tight, of course. Then I'm gonna flip the end of the pipe cleaner up to secure her hair. This is pipe cleaners in her whole head. After I did this, I spritzed it with water to get it a little damp. Then I had her under the dryer for about 30 minutes. And this is the end result. I've already taken the pipe cleaners out. Now I'm separating the locks to give her more volume. We absolutely loved the results. It looked amazing on her. It looked very natural, blended in with her hair very, very well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the results. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, if you are trying to book me for lock extensions or any other lock type service, any serious inquiry, email me. My email's in the description, or it's in the about section of this channel, and we can go from there. Emailing is the only way to contact me. I no longer do DMs. They got way too crazy for me. So I have a system where I get emails now. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.